Francesco and I are on a trip. To be more specific, we're taking our van through Austria, Liechtenstein, Switzerland, all the way down through Italy to Genoa, through Monaco and along the entire French Côte d'Azur to a small country called Andorra between Spain and France. From Barcelona, which is our final goal, we're gonna drive all the way back through the French mainland, stopping in Lyon and stopping in Freiburg im Breisgau, which is one of my favorite German cities, which concludes our entire journey and brings us to a whopping 9 countries, 3,000 kilometers in a 20-year-old van. We hope we're gonna make it all the way. Nothing's promised, but it's going well so far. At the time of filming this, we are in Monaco. The scooter situation here is crazy. I think because the fuel in France is so goddamn expensive, everybody's driving scooters. Yeah, also the roads. Also, we already saw the first fancy cars. We're still in France, though, as you can fucking see. Oh, it's pretty, though. Damn.
First work here is in Monaco. Only the car.
Monte Carlo scooter craze. And here we have
What's happening here?
Montes Carlos.
Hey. This one is more expensive than a Ferrari, the white one.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm filming you. Is it like in other countries they ask money, but here they donate it? Like they come to your window and they give you $50 and just say have a good day? What the fuck is going on here?
Les dauphins et les orques de Marineland bloqués à Antibes contre toute attente l'Espagne a dit non à leur transfert sur la base d'un avis défavorable
Cute!
espagnol.
The racetrack right now, what a feeling. And this is Monte Carlo City. The biggest yacht is so much bigger than every other yacht. It's like 15 times the size. Oh, that's 2 of them exactly. What is up? Down there you can also see the racetrack seats, and back there are the really big seats, but we gotta get closer for a good view. It wasn't easy to find a parking house that has space for vans.
But the policemen help us.
They're van unfriendly, but yes, the policeman did help us to find our place. Nothing special to see here.
I thought.
Everything's so pretty here. It's really pretty. Like every house here is so like, they're old, but they're pretty well taken care of. Yeah, this was a special one. This 5,000 euros. My mom has this one at home in black. Not because my mom's rich, but because my mom was a furniture vendor for 20 years with her own company.
I can do that with some food and for $30.
They're like super rare. There's not a lot of them on Earth. They're like really, like this is just a regular looking lounge. But it is important. If you ask somebody who knows about furniture, they're gonna tell you like, I feel like I recognize some more pieces, but I'm not gonna talk shit if I don't know. See all the prices. This is also gigantic, like just a platform to enter it. We were just talking, saying people here are so unsympathetic. Like if you're from Monaco, there's no hate, but like just them walking down the street, the things they talk about, the tone that they talk in. I see and hear so much privilege. I don't want to be salty, but I would not want to have a beer with them. Like some of the things I've heard are already insufferable. So much arrogance, so much privilege. Whirlpool on the back of the ship is crazy. Oh, somebody's frying some fish. Oh, look at that shark statue on the table. So fucking tacky, honestly. Look at these houses behind you. Yeah, there's so much to see here. It's discovered from far away this very long Christian painting on this house. No words for all this. This is absolute insanity. Thank you. I love what they did here. They built a few houses that look just like boats. Like this looks like, if you zoomed in, those look like actual boat cabins. I feel like I'm annoying people just by talking. Then there's another object right here that is a house, but it looks like a boat. This is cute. This is cute. Like the cute flowers they got going on. The size is perfect. I just don't need 3 people in the driver's seat. Oh, there we have it. Monaco. Yeah, that feeling when you wake up in the morning and you enjoy your private breakfast from your private chef and you go up to your private gym on your private yacht. And this is the police currently driving out, and I really wonder if they're just, maybe it's faster than taking the car, you know?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. I guess they're gonna investigate something now. Yep, they're going to land over there. Just going to the casino, and this is like an underground. Everything's marble. Place to sit in case this walk is too long for you. I mean, that's so cute. I think we made it to the casino, which is one of the most popular spots. I mean, holy shit. Yeah. Majestic. We walked into some kind of event right now. Is this the casino? What is going on? Everyone's just driving through this. Okay. Is this the casino? Love the smoke over the city, by the way. Look at these cars. Everyone's taking pictures with their cars. Yeah, we just walked around the casino. We did find obviously we found the entrance, but it's not open for visitors today. There's some kind of event that we didn't understand about because he told us in French.
I want to see you in a dress, by the way. You know what dress is?
What?
Like, I would love to see you in a dress.
I mean, you've seen me in some dresses, but not like fancy ones, right? Only like short beach dresses and like party dresses.
Long one.
Yeah, a long one. I literally don't have a long one.
I know. I'm not gonna buy him on the cardinal, by the way.
Dude,
Soon as possible.
appreciated. Like CCTV everywhere, and Monaco, I think, is the most surveilled like city on earth. The richest people ever. But yeah, we also think that maybe workers are living in there, like that's workers' flats. And everywhere we go, we ask ourselves, like, could we spend the season here? And honestly, I mean, living in a place like this, whoa, with a salary like that,
Everything is close, accessible, so you don't need a car.
exactly. You don't even need a fucking bus. You can walk through the whole city in half an hour.
Oh.
It's, you know, if you get the option. They refuse to do ugly stuff. So this is how it looks when there's a construction site. They even put fake birds in here. It's on the other side. So they continue the house basically in paper form. A better look of the F1 track and all the seats. Not that I really give a f. Cutest little church down here. Right next to the port. Just entered a random supermarket to check out the deals, and immediately I gotta say, this is not bad at all. The prices are not worse than they are in Italy or France. Of course, these fruit cups are a little bit like ridiculously priced, but that's a fruit cup. If you're buying that, you're stupid. Yeah, look, all these things here are relatively, I mean, they're okay priced in my opinion. Of course, this is not special sushi, but I still think it's very good prices.
For that price, you have all you can eat, you know?
Yeah, what quality. Very pretty in the evening. I love this big old mountain back there. To be fair, there's nothing going on here. And I imagine there's a lot more in high season, but there's still not like a full city because maybe there's a full city of rich people, but I highly fucking doubt it. Made it to yet another parking about 20 minutes away from Monaco, or should I say above? Yeah. So, I mean, honestly, it's for me right now, it's clear as day. My camera is not going to be able to catch this at night, but this back there is Monaco. Wow, this is so pretty. I had a great time. Am I ever coming back? Only if it's a fucking coincidence, not gonna lie. Jessica's currently leveling the van, but now that I look at it, it already looks completely straight. I'm gonna stop filming, it's completely dark anyways.